Hey friends, this is another day, and I'm not quite sure where I left off, so we're just starting another day. We're going to where? Publix. All of my vlogs are pretty much going to the store, going to grocery stores, going to the mall or out with the girls. So today is a Publix day. We got to pick up some medicine. We have to pick up a few little items. We're going to try to go to the produce section. I already clipped all of my digital coupons. I have $3 off of every 90 that I spend on the app, so that's good. And we're gonna see how I come out at the end. So I'm super excited about it. Today is Taco Tuesday, and I was speaking with my hubby here, who's rarely in any of the videos, but I was telling him that I really wanted some tacos today. And I was really considering going to Taco Bell after the grocery store. But the new and improved Val, who is saving money and conserving, said, I'll buy the taco stuff and we're going to make tacos in this video. Won't that be fun? We're going to make tacos. So you're going to watch us make some tacos today. That's going to be super exciting, and then we're going to end out this video. Okay, so you guys just keep watching. right, guys, I know you may not be able to hear me very well, but this is one of the items I got Bob for Father's Day. It's a Eureka.
We'll do like the Price is Right, people.
It's a Eureka vacuum. I'll put the I'll just put the link in the description box, but it is a lifesaver. It gets in these cages really well, where we can get all the little leftover food, and you know, sometimes they have a little fur that sheds. Yeah, you can take it apart and it becomes, it becomes like a handheld vac, and it comes from Amazon. So I'm gonna link it. So I told you guys I did a lot of Amazon shopping. You see my little Amazon box right there. I got paper towels the other day. Such a great deal. You know, I try to, y'all know, I'm trying to conserve. I'm trying to save money. I'm trying to figure out what works out best. And I'm figuring some things out. As you can see, my hubby mops out the cages. He's such a good dog dad. Look how Benji is watching. That's your mess. You should clean it up. You look like not me. So just freshening up everything. And like I said, I'm going to be showing you guys more and more of what we get from Amazon and some other places where I can save money. Sometimes I think, let me turn the camera around. Pardon my appearance today, but I'm just getting up. I'm getting ready to start cooking. Sometimes I think I save some money by like buying paper goods and things like that from another store, maybe going to 2 or 3 stores, but mainly like going to the grocery store in person and buying all my other needs online. I think that's the best combination so far as saving $1. So that's what I think I'm going to continue doing. I do have a Amazon storefront just in time for Prime Day. I think Prime Day is supposed to be July 11th and July 12th, if I'm not mistaken. If I'm wrong, I'll have the correct dates on the screen. But I put all the stuff that I use around this house for my mom, for all the caregivers. I have my own little section for that. For household supplies, I have a section for that. For nail stuff, I have a section for that. For makeup, I have a section for that. So please check it out, because they're going to have Prime Day and you get a 30-day free trial. 30-day free trial. I also found out that you can do the Amazon Prime as a college student. There's something on the site. You'll have to click the link to find out. But there's something on there where you can pay only $7 a month as a college student. They also have it set up whereas if you are on governmental assistance, you can use your EBT cards there. So it's so much Amazon is doing I had no idea about. Check out the link. And like I said, I have everything listed by categories on there. So I made it very helpful for you guys. And I think this is the best way that my family is able to save money. I hope that it will spark some savings for you guys as well. But this works out great for us so far. If anything changes, I'll definitely let you guys know. And the next video you see from me, I'll be doing makeup. So I will talk to you guys in the next one. Cyber kisses. Bye.